In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Calendly event into your Framer website. This is a great way to streamline scheduling and make your site more interactive. Let's dive right in and go through each step together. First, open Calendly in your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to choose the specific event type that you're planning to embed. Take a moment to consider which event best fits your needs. Once you've chosen the right event, you'll see an option to share it. Click on the Share button, which is a key step in preparing your event for embedding. After clicking Share, you will want to navigate to the Add to Website section. Here, you'll be presented with different embedding options. Be sure to select Inline Embed, as this will allow the Calendly event to be seamlessly integrated into your page, maintaining a natural look and feel. Once you have made your selection, scroll down the page. Scrolling will reveal more information and options related to the embedding process. You'll see a Continue button. Go ahead and click that. This action is essential as it takes you to the page where you'll be able to access the all-important embed code. Once you're on this page, you'll see the code you need to copy. Make sure you copy the entire code snippet, as this is what will link your event to your website. Next, it's time to switch over to Framer. This is where you will actually place your Calendly embed. In Framer, you'll need to click on the Insert button, which is prominently displayed. After clicking it, a search functionality will appear. You'll type Embed in the search bar. Doing so will bring up the Embed option you need to click on. Now, another important step is to move over to the left side of the panel in Framer and click on HTML. In this section, you'll be presented with an area where you can paste the code you copied from Calendly. Paste the code directly into this field and press Enter. At this point, you should see your embedded Calendly event right there in your Framer project. You're almost done. You can adjust its size to better fit your page, ensuring it blends well with the rest of your design. Adjusting the size not only makes it look better, but also improves user experience on your site. Once you're happy with how it looks, the final step is to click Publish. This will make your newly integrated schedule live on your website, ready for your visitors to interact with. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Calendly event into your Framer site, adding a powerful tool for both you and your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your scheduling process more efficient.